This video we're going to assemble the guitar A7 card. So I've got my base. I have already glued in the piece for the inside, and it has a little music note cut in the corner. And then I've got all my pieces laid out. I'm going to go ahead and glue this in place. This is going to glue to the front. And you just want to eyeball that, get that centered on there. And now we can set that aside for a minute. Okay, I've already got some of this done just to save time, but I will explain what I've done. So you have your bottom layer is your music swirl, and then your next layer is for your leaves. So I've chose a kind of greenish blue color for mine. I want to make sure that those are glued down well. So you're just going to line this up. Now, on this layer, you can see where the flowers are, and I've added the centers to the flower because the guitar is going to go on top. So these are the flowers. Every other flower is under the guitar. So this is one flower, this is another, this one's on top, this one's on the bottom, this one's on top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Okay. So I've glued my centers on the ones that are on the bottom. Now, if you want to take the flowers that are in the file and cut out each flower, you can certainly do that. I just thought that this would be a little bit easier. And just make this card a little faster to put together. Okay, so there's that. Now, I'm going to put my guitar together. If you've done my slimline guitar card, this one is assembled very similarly. Now, this one, the small swirl, was a little touch and go cutting it out. And I don't know what my machine was doing. It was really messing up. So I don't know if it had, I mean, it is small. It is small. So you could leave it out if you wanted, because there are flowers there. This one cut out okay, but again, my machine was acting funny, so it cut it out weird. And then this one goes right down here. I probably should have put this piece on first before I put that one on, but looks like I've left enough room. And now if you want to, you can take some thread and thread your strings on your guitar. And then your guitar just goes right in here. Okay. And you can see how the flowers are kind of taking shape underneath. And then for these, I think that I want to pop them up. Okay. And now we're just going to glue this to the base. I might just put, I don't think I need very much glue on the swirls. So for maybe, I'm just hitting these outer rings to make sure they don't pop up. Then, I'm trying to find a way to hold it now. And it kind of angles across. Just like that. And it is that quick and simple. So there is the guitar A7 card. Thank you for joining me.